Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Walmart gift card balance. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say you have a Walmart gift card, whether it's a physical gift card or just an email with a digital gift card. You can check the balance three different ways. The first way is that you can just go to a physical Walmart store. So, of course, you probably already know this, but if a Walmart is nearby, you can just bring in the physical gift card or the email and just ask the cashier or maybe the customer service and check that gift card balance without actually needing to use it. However, this requires you getting in the car and actually going to a Walmart. You can also just check it at home online. The first way to do that is that you can go to the gift card balance checker on walmart.com. Now, to be able to find that, you can either go directly to this website. You can see it's walmart.com/account/gift cards/balance. Now, you can go directly to that website if you wanted to, or you could just type in Walmart gift card balance into Google and tap on the first link. Keep in mind, you want to make sure it is absolutely the correct website. Otherwise, it could potentially steal that gift card from you. So make sure it does say walmart.com and no other website. Now on here, if you have basically copied that 16-digit code, you can just paste it in here. I copied it from here, and then the PIN 4922, you can just enter that in. Let me do that, 4922. And then I can hit check balance, and you'll be able to see it will start to check that balance. In this case, it was just a random image that I found, so it doesn't necessarily work. And basically, you'll be able to see that balance. However, if it doesn't work for you, you don't necessarily need to do it on the website either. You can just call in and check that balance. So if you scroll down here, you can see for additional help, call this number 1-888-537-5503. So you can call them. Again, keep in mind, you'll need a 16-digit number as well as a 4-digit PIN code. You need both of those. Keep in mind, when you get that gift card, a lot of times on the physical gift card, that 4-digit PIN code, you need to kind of scratch it off to be able to see what that PIN code number is. And then they'll be able to check that balance for you without necessarily needing to spend money on using that gift card. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.